How to use vanilla gift card. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can use a vanilla gift card, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now you have a vanilla gift card that you want to use. The way you can use it is, first of all, you have to understand what this vanilla card is. Vanilla gift card are nothing but simply prepaid debit cards, which means that it is a prepaid debit card and you can use it wherever Visa or MasterCard is accepted. And you can use it by selecting credit or debit card as a payment method. You should not select gift card as a payment method. Remember this, depending upon the stores that you are trying to use the card from Amazon or Shopify, Temu, whatever else you're trying to shop from, you have to select credit or debit card as a payment method and then enter your vanilla gift card code over there, and then after that you can enter the CVV code and then just try to purchase something that you are trying to do. Remember, as I'm repeating again, do not select gift card as a payment method during the checkout. Now if you're not sure though that what kind of balance you have on your vanilla gift card, you can check that using your opening a browser, going to balance.vanillagiftcard.com, vanillagift.com. so balance.vanillagift.com will let you land on this page where you can enter the card number, expiration date, your CVV, tap and continue. Now this is not the way to redeem though, this is just to either activate or check your balance of your gift card. So once you check you have enough balance, you can try to shop for the product, and remember to select credit or debit card as a payment method and not gift card, then enter the code, and that way you can use your vanilla gift card. So hope this video helps you as to how you can use a vanilla gift card. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.